Are you puzzled by the surge of luxury vinyl flooring in commercial buildings? Are you unsure about what it is and how to properly care for it? You're not alone. Many professionals and homeowners are facing the same challenges with this new and innovative flooring material. Introducing Understanding Luxury Vinyl Floor Care, an exclusive free 15-minute online class designed to demystify the world of luxury vinyl. Did you know that over 80% of new flooring installations in commercial buildings now feature luxury vinyl? Its remarkable resemblance to wood, stone, ceramic, and porcelain has captivated the industry, making it a top choice for modern spaces. However, what sets luxury vinyl apart is that it requires specialized care, different from the flooring materials you might be accustomed to. In this concise but powerful class, you'll discover what luxury vinyl is, gain a clear understanding of what luxury vinyl is and why it has become the go-to flooring solution in commercial spaces. Essential care techniques. Learn quick and effective care methods tailored to luxury vinyl, ensuring your floors stay immaculate and stand the test of time. The difference in materials. Understand how luxury vinyl planks, LVP, and luxury vinyl tiles, LVT, differ from traditional flooring materials, and how this impacts their care requirements. Top-notch maintenance tips. Discover expert-recommended maintenance practices that will keep your luxury vinyl floors looking brand new. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious homeowner, this class is designed to cater to your needs. This concise 15-minute format ensures that you get all the essential knowledge without investing hours of your valuable time. Sign up now to secure your spot in this free online class. Enroll today.